So today I'm gonna test what makes my PC faster. Is it unplugging the charger or plugging the charger? So I will need to go IRL right now to see who makes my PC faster. Now we're in real life and let's see the setup. Okay, so this is my other PC and this is my LED computer keyboard plus mouse. So that we're gonna check who is better, and in the battery you can see that battery little icon over there. You can see, right? Yeah, it's over there. It's 93%. All right, is we're gonna check if we unplug the battery charger, it's gonna be fast or no, and if we plug the battery charger, it's gonna be faster or no. Here we go to our first thing. So now I'm gonna unplug. Hold on. As you can see, it's now unplugged. Okay, so let's head to our goal. Guys, I'm now on a video of Steak the streamer. Anyways, guys, subscribe to Steak. YouTube streamer, and he's my best YouTube streamer. I watch him. I watch his videos and his streams. So let's get this, boys. Okay, I'm gonna volume up. Here we go. Skip. I'm gonna skip. Can you hear? Wait, yo, can you hear the audio? All right.
Yo!
Hey, yo, Steak. What's up?
What's good, guys?
We're good. Why? Wait,
Yo,
what?
bro.
Yeah, what?
Okay, so chat.
Why the hell am I getting a live captions? Bro, get the hell out of here. Okay, alright. I'm gonna turn off captions.
Everyone is spamming call speed because right now speed is playing that super.
Oh, wait. I know what is happening. Hold on. Okay, you might focus on the focus on the frames, please. You will see it's like a slow motion and then it goes normal. I'm gonna show you.
Game that I'm a pro at. You guys know this game he's playing right now. I tried helping him, bro. I tried donating a bunch. He's playing this game and he's stuck on this level. What am I supposed to do, bro? Oh my god, bro. Like, how am I supposed to jump over it? How are you supposed to?
You might saw the frames is like going slow and then going normal, going slow and then going normal. Okay, let's see what's instead of YouTube. Okay, so let's just check how many battery limits we have now. Okay, the battery percent is 87. Now it's 86. Wow. Alright. I'm gonna play Friday Night Funkin' and let's see what is gonna happen. Let's click on desktop. Here we go. Friday Night Funkin'. Are you here, Friday Night Funkin'? Bro. Yo. Download it. Okay, let's see. Let's skip. Wait a second. Here we go. This is much better. Alright, let me play. Oh, I forgot something. Hold on. I cannot play. Yo. I cannot play because I am like holding my phone to record. So I'm going to put it on somewhere so you can see me. Okay, I'm gonna play something like, hold on. You can see the screen? Okay. Alright. Listen up. I'm gonna play something on the erect. There we go. Let's play this one. And then I'm gonna check the battery, okay? Alright. Let's see.
3, 2, 1, boom!
Bro, yo. Okay. Okay, alright. Alright. Okay. That was so close, by the way. Okay, we got it. We got it, boys. We got it. Alright, here we go. We done off this. Okay, let's see what a battery. Let's see what is the battery. It's 63. Alright. It's 63. Alright. That's cool. Bro, I'm gonna skip it. I will skip it because I got excellent, by the way. Okay, let's see what we got more. Yeah, let's try that battle, and then we're gonna do another thing.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. I mean, it's not hard, bro. I missed, bro. I got them, bro. I got them. That's it. I got them. I got them. I got excellent. Yeah, baby. I got excellent. Okay, it's 54. Alright, okay, it's 54. Goodbye. Okay, so let's see if we got something else to do. After I finished checking on YouTube and checking on Friday Night Funkin', and I got excellent at that battle, erect. So I tried to play and check the oldest games you know. That got me a little bit mad. So yeah, I played them. So I got an app or like something called Mash. So I'll be testing. Hold on. Let's see what is this app about. Hold on. Let's see. Okay. So this app is like Bonzi, but not really that much. So I'm gonna change the Junior, and then you might know of this. Like some of you know of this, right? I don't know. Show. Hello. Hello, Junior. Get the out of here. Okay. Let him. I'm gonna let him say something. Hold on. I'm typing something. Hold on. What? Okay, I will tell him something. Okay, so I was typing something in the text box, and it literally like took me something like 10 minutes or like 15 minutes or something. And okay, let's see now what he gonna say. All right.
Subscribe to Boyfriend 46, the chill guy.
What he's gonna say? Bro, he didn't say YouTube correctly, bro. Wait a second. Bro, I literally typed YouTube correctly. Look at this, bro. I literally typed YouTube correctly. Then, okay. Subscribe to Boyfriend 46, the chill guy YouTube. Okay, never mind. Alright, let's see. Show and tell? What does show and tell do?
Acknowledge.
No, get the hell out of here.
Subscribe to Boyfriend 46, the chill guy YouTube.
Okay. He's whispering. Okay. I'm gonna move him. Let's see if we're gonna move. Here we go. Clicked. What the hell? Oh, I'm gonna change the direction. Hold on. Okay. Bottom center. Yo, where the hell did he go? Okay, move. What? Okay, never mind. Top. Oh, there he is. There he is. Alright. Let's see. What is this? Please first type the X and Y screen's location in pixels that you want to gesture at. Alright. Fine. Right. Center. Oh! I know now. It's like pointing. What the hell am I saying? Okay, he's like pointing at something. All right. Like, oh, like he's like, oh, check this out, a new wallpaper. It's like that. All right. Thank you, Genie. I don't need you now. Nope. All right. I forgot to check about the battery. 45. Let's see if we got something in the files. Yeah, I know this game. Hold on. Windows Zune. Some of you know this game. Alright, Windows Zune. Alright, what? What is this? Unhandled. You can see this message. Unhandled exception has occurred in your application. If you click continue, the application will ignore this error and attempt to continue. If you click quit, the application will close immediately. The remote name couldn't not be resolved. Alright, never mind, continue. What is this? Bro. Windows Zune updater. Nah, exit. Okay, so Sonic will go on your. Yeah, he's there. Sonic, he's there. Sonic, he's there. Oh my god, okay. Alright, Sonic. What should I do? Like, I heard of something like you can look up, you can move there. Oh, and there's like time and rings and lives. Alright. Yo, I heard of this. Can you do this for me? Like, press that down arrow. Like, you press down arrow. You see? It's like there. And then you press like space. That's what is gonna happen. Hold on. It's too hard to press space. Hold on, I'm gonna. Okay, there we go. Then, when you release your hand from the down arrow, this happens. Peak. Bro, if you have laptop or computer, bro, I suggest you, if you want, download this game. If you love Sonic and you want to play Sonic on Windows, bro, I suggest you to play this game. Alright. Where's my, okay, there's go my mouse cursor. Sonic, come back here. Alright. Yo, so there's like, yo, I heard something. Press Z or press X, and then you can put live monitors on here. Hold on, I'm gonna spam over there. Space. Oh, I got it. I'm pressing. Okay, I got it. Now press X, and then I'm gonna do the thing, dash thing. Hold on. Look at what happened to the lives. We got, we got 37 lives over there. Alright, let's see, let's continue. Alright. Oh, when you hold on, when you press Z, you're gonna this is Metal Sonic. Put it on here, put it on here. Oh, I know now, hold on. Yeah. I got this. I got this. He's a Metal Sonic, he's gonna destroy me. Oh, shoot. What the? Yo, chill out. He's not gonna get me, bro. You're not gonna get me, bro. You're just a little weak Metal Sonic, bro. Oh, run. Bro, I'm running endless, bro. This is an endless loop. Are you kidding me right now? Oh shit. It was gonna get me. What? Did I just die? Died. Alright. Alright, hold on. Stop. Okay. Yeah, I died. I died again. Brian. Okay, now that's it. Now I'm gonna bring the Nintendo games on. Let me bring Super Mario, and then open with. Wait a second. Hold on, I'm gonna set up the app. Hold on. There we go. The app is over here. So yeah, let's see what we got. Okay, I'm gonna click on File. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna head to Games, and there we go. Here we go. We got all of these games over here. Oh, yo, it's looted. Yeah, I can play on this game. Yo, how? Oh, I'm gonna dodge with. I'm gonna do a jump. Get me. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna set up the camera. Hold on. So you can now see. Okay, gonna do it. All right. Bro, imagine. Yeah. Yo, imagine playing Super Mario, the oldest one, in 2026, bro. This is insane. By the way, let's continue. God damn! There's that one. That one. Okay, hold on. Again? I don't know what to say, bro. Okay, okay. Alright. Alright. Nah, I'm done with. I'm done, bro. I'm done, bro. I'm done. Now 11%. So I guess the unplugged one is faster, but if I like plug the one, it will not. It's like I think it's the what? Oh, yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. So I guess the battery, the charger, if it's like unplugged, it will be like faster, and if it's plugged, it will be faster. So yeah, they are the same. All right. So I think I will not like go on this goal because you see, I cannot get on this because I think I don't have more games or something. So peace, everyone. So after I finish this video and playing these old games, the total is they are the same. But also, I hope you liked this video and like and subscribe to my channel. And see you, everyone. Peace. Also, this video doesn't need the intro.